During my annual vehicle inspection, they said the side mirror signal wasn't working. Supposed to be a bad bulb, an easy DIY fix. I started by tilting the mirror inward. Then I use a plastic trim tool to reach behind the mirror and gently push the glass out. From here, I was able to easily reach the bulb socket. Yeah, this looked like an easy job, just like they said. After removing the bulb, I immediately suspected this might not be just a simple replacement. The bulb looked fine, so I tested it using a 12-volt car battery. From there, I move on to the wiring. Firstly, I checked the ground. Black wire from the socket went to one side of the multimeter. Other probe went straight to a good ground on the car body, and yeah, continuity was there. Next, I checked the flex in the cables near the connector, where the door harness meets the car body. In some cases those have been broken. To open it, I pulled up the locking tab. Simple, but you've got to be careful not to break it. I was also looking for a good access point. Somewhere I can test the positive side of the mirror indicator socket. Everything looked fine, wiring looked normal, no damage. But I was not able to trace the signal wire to mirror signal bulb, no matching color. Quick search, and yeah, the plus signal comes from the door module. So I needed to get inside the door for extra testing. From here on, it already starts to feel like this is not a 5-minute fix, like they said. To go deeper, I needed to remove the inner door trim. Main panel is held by two Torx 25 screws under the door handle, and a full row of plastic clips around the edge. Next, I opened the mirror harness connector. Hunted for the signal line by same color, but at connector side it was hard to confirm black wire. Could be some aging on cable inside the mirror, what has slightly changed the color tone. To confirm the right wire, I peeled back some insulation in the middle. I tested and I got continuity to the connector, but not all the way to the mirror. That told me the break is somewhere between this point and the mirror bulb socket. At this stage, the easiest move was simple. Just started tracing the wire from the mirror side. Found it. Broken signal wire. And also heater ground wire, old pieces too. I fixed that last winter, kind of a workaround. Use the signal ground to keep it alive. Not perfect, but it works. At this point, it was time to fix the broken wire. And then my camera died in the middle of it. In reality, it was soldered together and covered with heat shrink tubing. So yeah, no footage of the actual fix. After testing with the multimeter and confirming continuity, everything checks out, so I reassembled everything. Reverse order of disassembly, step by step, clips back in, screws back in place.